Poor little guy's using his tail for a snow block. I think he's enjoying it. He might be dying. I don't know. I really hope not. Not too often you wake up and see this out your window in Mobile, but hey, wow, and it's thick and big and lots of it. Cool. Everybody was hyping this up, and oh, whatever, it's gonna be snow, but um, we got a squirrel out there enjoying it. He found a nut in the snow. That's determination. Awesome. Hey, buddy. My little pet squirrel's out here. Okay, here it goes. Thickening, blowing. Beware of stairs. Yeah. Woo, there he is. You do not see this every day or every decade. Crazy. Woo. Obligatory snow selfie. Yeah, it's pretty damn cool. I thought it'd be it's a bunch of hype, but yeah, it's for real, and it's thick. It is thick. Yeah, I thought, it'd be a little snow out there. I'd head over and drive, but there's no driving. I don't know what's going on there with that. We are not taking the stairs today. Even coming into that. Wow. Beware. Alright, we're going to attempt to go out here a little bit. Look at that little thickness. Wow. This is like alien land in Mobile, unheard of. I don't think I can even walk into my backyard. It's too thick to go out even in my yard. Wow. I've been here probably 30 years, and this is by far the biggest, most snow ever. Crazy. They said it was coming, it sure did.